In this video, we will learn how to change cell fill color and font color in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel sheet, and you can see here I already fill the cell color and change the font color also. So simply select the cell and go to the home tab. In font group, just click on the fill color option. Just click on this drop down arrow. There are different color available. Just select the color and you can see the cell fill color. Same as I select the second cell and go to the fill color option, and here have a more color option also. In more color you can use the standard color and you can customize your own color. So I use in the standard color. Select the color those you want and click on OK to fill in cell. Okay, the third way, I select the cell and click on the fill color, and here have a one option, high contrast only. Just click on and you can see the color is showing the high qualities. So select the color those you want and see the color here. Okay, so and here the font color, the select the text, go to the home tab. In font group have a font color option. Just click on this drop down arrow. Same as here, already here on is showing. Just off it and you can see the color and you can select those you want. Same as select the text, go to the font color, and you can use here the more color also. There are standard and custom. You can custom your color. The select the color red, you can use the red color to green to then blue, and after that just click on OK and see for. So I select the different color here. That's it. Okay, so hope you understand. Hope you, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.